how to be confident. Frame your mind to like you're coming to this place like 100 times. So you practice and you feel like, okay, I've been there. So your body posture is totally different. If it's online meeting and you're not the interviewing panel, you want to sit down with your, of course, hands on the desk. But happens that if you lean a little bit forward sometimes, it's a sign of interest. So it's good to remember when you do your pitch, you don't want to be too laid back. Yeah. And exactly. So that's important, and you don't want to be being too close. Okay. So you need to make sure that your theme, your background story is nicely synced and connected together. And let's say if you relate to your industry would be a heavy machinery, you try to bring a story of when I was 6, my grandfather first time gave me possibility to go to the farm and ride together on the tractor. Since then, I knew that I want to support this type of industry, and your company is a leader in that. And they see that there's a strong emotional connection. So in the meantime, I invested in education, your expertise in that area. I saw that I am the type of person you're looking for. And they say, yes, because you actually made the research based on their values. So what actually we expect is something that is quite flexible. And let's say you make certain assumptions that I want to do this in this type of company. You write your team, and then with your team, you connect with your background story. Make sure more is less. So you want to be concise. You want to have this wow effect straight away. So when you have your team, your background story, you connect it nicely together. You want to make sure it creates warmth, your body language, your tonality. Jordan Belfort from Wolf of Wall Street, he says, people see you on the phone. They imagine you. You smile, they imagine you smiling. It's so important to be aware of this nonverbal cues and implementing that your sales pitch from 30 seconds max to 2 minutes, and making sure that each section counts. Each builds on the second and brings an engagement. That your team is understandable very quickly in the first stage, your story and your experience, because you need to build your credibility, follows naturally under the second. And then we say, wow, I want to talk to this guy. That is the goal and purpose.
That is amazing. You have literally been able to drop not one, not two. I've actually lost track now how many golden nuggets you've dropped here for our students.
Feel free to join our LinkedIn group. Hopefully I will see you soon. Thank you.